Ever been caught in the conundrum of finding meals that are both easy to prepare and healthy? Well, it's a common struggle, one that leaves many scratching their heads in the supermarket aisle. But worry not, because today we're tackling this issue head-on. We're diving into the world of meal planning, offering you a step-by-step guide to planning and preparing meals that are as nutritious as they are straightforward to make. First things first, the cornerstone of an easy, healthy meal plan is variety. Cooking the same meals over and over again not only becomes monotonous but also limits the range of nutrients you're getting. So, rule number 1, diversify your meals. Aim for a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. And don't forget to include plenty of fruits and vegetables. Next up is the actual planning. Start by deciding what meals you'll be making for the week. Consider your schedule and choose recipes that fit your time constraints. A slow cooker dish might be perfect for a busy weekday, while a more involved recipe could be saved for the weekend. Once you've got your meal plan, jot down all the ingredients you'll need. Then comes the shopping. A pro tip: stick to the perimeter of the supermarket. That's where you'll typically find the freshest, healthiest foods. The inner aisles are often filled with processed foods, which, while convenient, aren't the healthiest choice. Once you've got your ingredients, it's time to prepare. Consider setting aside a few hours one day a week for meal prep. This might involve chopping vegetables, cooking grains in bulk, or even preparing entire meals to be reheated later. Finally, store your meals properly to ensure they stay fresh. Use airtight containers, and if you're preparing meals for the whole week, consider freezing some portions to maintain their freshness. So, to recap: 1. Variety is key to a balanced, healthy diet. 1. Plan your meals around your schedule, and choose recipes that suit your time constraints. 1. Shop smart by sticking to the perimeter of the supermarket. 1. Set aside time each week for meal prep. 1. Store your meals properly to keep them fresh. Remember, the goal here isn't perfection. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your diet that can have a big impact on your health. And with this guide, you're well on your way to doing just that. So go on, give it a try. You might just find that meal planning is easier and tastier than you ever thought possible.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest